Racers, what's up Wrench Gang? Kevin Van Voris back for another video for you guys today. So today's video is gonna be a little different. I had a couple videos planned, but well, I couldn't go film the one that we wanted to go film today because we were waiting on a part for David's Mustang. Can you believe it? David's Mustang is interrupting my life. No, he was waiting for a part. So we were just decided to work on the flashlight shootout stuff. And in case you guys don't know what the flashlight shootout is, well, you guys are gonna find out. Maybe you should already know what the flashlight shootout is, but we'll make a separate YouTube video on that. But today I wanted to cover, because I wanted to cover something that is like one of the most talked about things on YouTube, whether you're into cars or fitness or whatever else, is how much money can I make on YouTube? How much money does Kevin Van Voris make on YouTube? How much money do all these guys make on YouTube? I want to be a YouTube star. I want to make lots of money. I'm going to make videos. And I'm here to tell you that's not exactly how it works. At least me personally. So I've been doing YouTube for a couple years. So, and I'll be honest with you guys, when I first started, my life was a little bit different. As far as how much money I had, how much money I was making, the car we had, it was a lot different. And when I started YouTube, I was like, man, these guys are making a killing. Like, you watch guys like Street Speed 717, or like in the fitness world, Christian Guzman, or any of those people, and you're like, dude, these guys are making like 20, 30, 40, 50 grand a month. And you're like, man, wouldn't that be awesome? And I'm like, man, I should really, make a YouTube channel. So I didn't start YouTube to make money, but once I saw like the potential, I was like, wow, maybe I could actually make it. And then you start making YouTube videos, and the odds of you actually making that much money per month is very, 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 very slim. And it's funny because people think that the cars I have, even I'm in David's truck. This is not my truck, so don't say it's my truck. But the cars that I have, it's because of YouTube. And I'm like, dude, that's kind of like, I take offense to that because I work long ass hours. I work 6 days a week, sometimes 7. We're doing stuff with the clothing line and all this other stuff. I don't make shit on YouTube. I make YouTube videos because it's fun. I get to meet and greet a lot of you guys, and I've had awesome connections. Like, I've met RP Productions, I've met SRT Mush, and like, I'm really good friends with these people. And I would have never, met like those two for an example. I've met tons of people, but like, those two for an example, like Sick Whips, I would have never met them. Send City, like I would have never met them, like, unless because of YouTube, like I was able to connect with those people. And to me, that is worth more than anything else. And then being able to like connect with different companies and like have companies send you shit. Not that I get a lot of shit sent to me, but there's companies like, oh yeah, I saw your Charger Hellcat run, a 9.4 and all this other stuff. And it's allowed me to obviously get a sponsorship through Livernois because of social media and stuff like that. But I don't do YouTube to make money. Like, the amount of money, like, I'll give you an example. I'll tell you how much I made last month on YouTube. $425, okay? Unless you guys know some magical way to make $425 pay for all my cars a month, I would really love to hear your thoughts, because that basically pays for maybe my insurance. So I don't have one car on the channel besides the Dodge Magnum Project Stepchild that I bought for YouTube. Like, and the only reason I bought that car is because I wanted to help interact with all my subscribers and maybe help grow my channel a little bit. But it wasn't like, all right, I'm gonna buy this Dodge Magnum, I'm gonna rip everything off of it, and I'm gonna be the next Cletus McFarland. Like, I've never said that. Now, it's cool to think about, like, man, those guys are making tons of money. They don't really have to work. They've got a video guy. They go on all these cool trips. They race every weekend. Or like, if you're like Christian Guzman, you just lift weights and fucking stay shredded, and then you bang your hot girlfriend at night. I don't know. Like, that's what some of those guys do. I get to bang my hot wife at night, but to each his own. But what I'm saying is, like, the type of people you guys need to look up to is like, I don't want to pronounce this guy's name wrong, but I think it's Omi in a Hellcat, I think is his YouTube channel. Like, you guys should aspire to be people like him. That dude's came from nothing, and he's got fucking stacks, and he's trying to inspire people. Or, you know, like the people that I've met on YouTube, like DHR Street Speed, you guys should try and be like him. Like, he's 50, early 50s. He just sold his company for like 40-something million dollars, and he gets to fucking retire in his 50s. And he's got a ton of toys. Like, that's what you should inspire to be. Don't be one of these people who think, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel, I'm gonna make $1 million, I'm gonna be fucking famous, and do all these things. Now, you might get lucky. There are those type of people who get lucky, but in reality, like most of the YouTubers that like stay around, like I don't know how many people have started YouTube channels and then you see them, and then a year, 2, 3 years later, you don't see them anymore. Like, I know, like, people go through shit, or YouTube, they just don't want to do it anymore. Like, for me, I make videos because it's fun. I get to fuck around. I get to show my personality. I get to hang out, meet some of you guys, which I've met a lot of you guys in person. And it's really cool to me. Like, I think that's fucking awesome. Get to help expand my brand. And I don't know, it's fun to me. Like, I don't make videos because I'm like, all right, cool. If I make 6 videos a week and I'm making like $300 of it, like, I don't think like that. And I know I'm never gonna be famous like that, and I don't care, because I would rather have stacks of cash in the real world than be YouTube famous. I'll take that any day. I'd rather have a shitload of money and cars versus being famous. If you ask me, would you rather be rich or famous? I'll be rich, hands fucking down every single time. And I think a lot of people get it twisted. Like, I'd rather be well off and have a lot of fun than to be YouTube famous or Instagram famous or whatever. Because how many people on Instagram, like a year old, gets oh, there's a cop right there. Oh, shit, there's a cop right there. So it just let's see if he's gonna pull me over. Ooh, Dave's got tint. Is he gonna pull me over? Shit. No, he's not. Yes. Ha! Cool. Sorry. If you live in Amarillo, like, you know, fucking cops out here, they have nothing better to do, so they just give tint tickets. But like, you should try it and inspire to be people like that. Like, I met Bo Gentile and his son Trey. Those guys are awesome. Like, it's a lot of fun. I went up to Minnesota, bought my fucking Dodge Viper, all thanks to fucking somebody that I met on YouTube. Fucking Dave, I'm gonna fuck his last name, Crimpatalk. I screwed up your last name, Dave, and I know you're gonna roast me in the comments, but I've met so many cool people. I got to hang out with Mob Auto Boutique. I met Rigo, like, with the Camo Cat on YouTube. And to me, that's more important than making money on YouTube. You know what I mean? So that's just my opinion. I just think people get it twisted. And again, would it be cool to be making 5, 10, 15, 20 grand on YouTube a month? Well, hell yeah. I'd probably have like 6 Calvo twin turbo fucking Vipers. You know what I mean? But you guys should use YouTube, you know, in my opinion, like, I make YouTube videos for fun. I make YouTube videos to have a good time and meet people. But like, when I watch other people who, you know, there's levels to life. Like that Omi and a Hellcat guy, he's way up here. And one day I'd like to be there. And you guys should watch his videos and not be like, fuck, he's got a bunch of cool cars. You should be asking, how the fuck does he afford to get those cool cars? And how can I do what he's doing to make that much money? That's the questions you guys should be asking. And that's what a real entrepreneur does. So, and I ask, like, DHR Street Speed, I've talked to him several times about flying up there and asking questions and just picking his brain, because if you can pick a brain of somebody who's making more money than you, guess what? You've got a better chance of making more money just like them. So that's my little spiel today. I want to help inspire you guys, and like, that's why at the beginning of all my videos I say, what's up, dream chasers? Because I'm hopefully talking to somebody who's chasing their dreams. That's the whole reason, like, I built this company, Contagion Athletics, the constant pursuit of your dreams. That's what it is. That's what the company stands for. It's really basic, it's simple, but it gets to the point. And I'm hoping each one of you guys goes out and chases your fucking dreams. Like, People think that I make a bunch of money on YouTube. I don't make shit on YouTube. I make money in the real world. I'm trying to build my empire in the real world. Like, I'm building a 37,000 square foot gym, and I'm moving from a 1,800 square foot gym. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of this year, like, that, me and David and Rachel, we're gonna go up a level once that gym opens. It's gonna be fucking hard work and long days like it already is now, but we love doing it. So don't try and be YouTube famous, I think, is what I'm trying to get across. Like, some people are gonna get lucky and be social media famous. That's cool, but do shit in the real world too. Don't forget, like, social media is not forever. You could be hot one day, and just like a rapper, you could be hot one day and cold the next. People forget who you are. How many rappers do you know that fell off? How many singers? How many whatever? You know what I mean? Athletes, they fall off. You gotta have shit in the real world. So, anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys got something from this. I make $400 roughly a month on YouTube. I think the most I've made is, there was one month, I'm not gonna lie. There was 1 month like a year and a half ago where I made like $3 grand in 1 month, and I was like, damn, this is dope as hell. How the hell do I recreate this? Haven't been able to do it since. No big deal, it's okay. So, shout out to everybody grinding, hustling, chasing their dreams. You guys are fucking awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to work because I have a job. I got my own business. I got my own shit to worry about. You know what I mean? But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hopefully you got something from it. Enjoy your day. Fucking set some goals, crush those goals, and I'm here rooting for you, even if no one else isn't. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me at KellyBoyKev. We've got tons of content coming. I've got a super sad video coming out tomorrow about the Charger Hellcat because that shit is broken as fuck, but you guys stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out this bitch.